Right, this is a video recording of the remainder concept. So in the remainder concept, usually you're going to see this word, the remainder, in the question, right? So the key thing about remainder concept is that you have to draw a diagram, right? To draw a diagram to show where the remainder is, and here are some questions which you need to ask, right? Now here's the diagram. I'm going to just run through the question together. So first of all, Timothy has some buttons. Yeah, let's start from here. So 1 out of 11 of them are blue. So because of this 11 here, right, we're going to start off with 11 boxes. Right, as you can see here, 11, oops, yeah, 11 boxes. And one of them is blue. Right, you can see this, one of them is blue. So next, oh no, there's a English error. One of them is blue. So 3 out of 10 of the remainder are white and the rest are black. So where is 3 out of 10 of the remainder? So you have to figure out where the remainder is. The remainder is actually as denoted by this thing, right? So it's from here all the way to here. So this is the remainder, and 3 out of 10 of them are white. So that's why 3 white over there. Next, if you read the question, he has 24 black buttons, right? The rest are black. So where are the rest? The rest are actually here, right? So if you know that this is black and there are altogether 28 of them, it's 28 of them, that means you can do the working as follows, right? So 7 units would be equals to 28. 1 unit will be equal to 4. So we want to find the 3 units because the question is asking how many white are there. So we multiply by 3, and therefore there are 12 white buttons, right? So this is the remainder concept. Now these are some of the questions that you gotta ask the student, right? Can they briefly describe, can the student draw a diagram, you know, and do they know that they have to focus on the remainder? Okay, so here's another one just in case. Right, so Linda made some curry puff. She gave 1/8 of them to John, 3/5 of the remainder. Once again, we see this keyword here. Remainder to Natalie. If she had 42 left, how many curry puffs did she make altogether? So let's take a look. Right, so where is the, how does the diagram look like? Oh no, okay, there's a bit of a run over here. Alright, so because Linda made 1 out of 8, she gave 1 out of 8 of them to John. This tells us that at first she has 8. It's total. Total must be 8. So if the total is 8, how many boxes do we draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, that's what she has at first. So 3/5 of the remainder to Natalie. So alright, now where is the remainder? So if you give 1 to John, the remainder must be from here to here. Okay, this is the remainder. So this should be the remainder. Right, 3/5. Natalie gets 3. It's 1, 2, 3. Out of 5. Out of 5 over here. So then the next question is, if she had 42 curry puffs left, how many curry puffs did she make altogether? So where are the remaining ones? So over here, 42 curry puffs left. Now if here is 42, this has got to be 21. 21. That's why we take 1 unit is 21. So now you find 5 of them first. Why? Because we want to find the remainder. So this is the remainder, and this remainder is equals to 105. Now if this is 105, we want to find the total altogether. Now this 105 is actually equals to 105 here. And you have to take note that at the bottom 105 is equivalent to 5 units. But if you shift it up to the top, it's equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units. So what you have to do is to take 105 divided by 7, you get 15, and then you multiply by 8 because that is the original number at first, right? There's 8 units. So this is how you do remainder concepts. You draw a diagram and you drop down the remainder so that you can see where the remainder is